A day at the pool might seem like a fun time, but not if it's in your own home. Today we're going to test the effects of extreme flooding on both a 3D printed and a traditionally constructed house. Today I'm here with a marine biologist and this moisture sensor to tell the effects of the flooding on the 3D printed house. Let's take some initial moisture readings. Our initial sensor indicates that there is 6.9% moisture in these walls. And now for the flooding simulation. Yep, that's water all right. Now that the flood has hit, let's clean it up.